Inna kolla maanay laba naf qaybsile taloogeed kulaashe adiga islumiyo isuloogay cadowgoo libintaadi siiye
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to a new video. In today's video, inshallah, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So many of you guys asked me what it's like to kind of live here, lifestyle, and definitely about cost of living over here. I know that a lot of people expect, well, they automatically think that when you move to Africa that it means like you're paying the most super cheap prices ever. And that can be true, but prices are going up everywhere, and so it depends on the level of your comfort, whether you are looking for, well, what kind of lifestyle you're looking for. So today I'm going to take you on a house tour with me. Yes, let's go house shopping. And I'll show you two different options, one that is midway affordable and then one that is a little bit higher cost than what you're expecting, but still probably affordable compared to what you have in the US. So come with me, inshallah, and I'll show you what $500 can get you in Somalia. So we're actually visiting Solia Estate office, which is my office right now, my agent office. This is where I rent as well. And I'm going to show you a little bit of what they do there, and hopefully we get to talk to somebody while we're there. This is a very busy road and they can be very hostile to the phone, so let's just try and stick with it.
Inna kolla maanay laba naf qaybsile taloogeed kulaashe adiga islumiyo isuloogay cadowgoo libintaadi siiye waadigan selite.
This is Solia's office. Many people, when they think of a Somali real estate office, they think that it is, you know, maybe in a bush somewhere, but as you guys can see, this is a real office. They manage everything with the laptop. MashaAllah, it's very nice.
My name is Jab Usman Haji. I'm here for Solia Properties and Tenant Relations Office. So we can do renting properties, also selling and building. All of what about the properties we can do. Also access controls of your apartment security, CCTVs, all of them we can do.
So Usman, a lot of the people who are watching this live outside of Somalia. So if they want to rent in Somalia, is it different? And can you tell us a little bit of how it is to rent here?
Yeah, it is different as the price and also the location of the apartment you want.
Okay.
As also it is mostly the financial apartments
Yeah.
of the other countries are so expensive, but
Yeah.
in Somalia it is cheap, mashallah.
Absolutely, I can attest to that. It's much more affordable to be here. Okay, of course a lot of people are worried about safety. Are a lot of the apartments available at Solia in a safe neighborhood?
Our apartment is mostly we do a doorman,
Yes.
also access controls, and also CCTVs.
Okay.
We do that. So every tenant feel safety.
You maintain
for our
security.
apartments.
Yes. Okay, Usman, are non-Somalis able to rent in Somalia?
Yeah, most of them. Mostly the non-Somalis people of there, they don't believe the brokers.
Yeah.
They believe only companies.
Yeah, okay.
They sign our documents. We will fill their information is so our documented. So they believe only solid status. The companies they believe that, not brokers.
Okay. Okay, so if you can give one message to people who are living outside of Somalia who want to come here, what would you say?
Uh, the, if you are outside the country, we have websites, TikTok pages,
Okay.
also Facebook.
Yes.
You can contact us. We can book in here, Somali, your apartments. If you are furnished, we can
Nice.
get you. You can call us. We can
Yes.
get it. Also, if you have a property, you can contact us to manage your property in
Very
Somalia.
nice.
You feel safety.
Yeah.
Inshallah, you're welcome.
I will actually put their information, their links for the link for Solia, as well as the TikTok, the Facebook, and the Instagram. I'll put it in the link below. If you have any questions or if you want to contact Usman or Solia directly, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll give you that information soon, inshallah. So here we have this really gorgeous, really beautiful luxury 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1 sitting room, kitchen included, balcony, furnished apartment for only $1,200. I mean, think about what $1,200 gets you. In the West, you're definitely not getting a furnished apartment for $1,200. And this is more in a high end. So this is a bit of a luxury style in Somalia, kind of like a vacation home where you would go and just relax. Everything is included. Yeah, and it's just for relaxation. I mean, look at the view. Look at how spacious the kitchen is here. So much space, washing machine again included. You have a full fridge, full bath, full kitchen, everything, pots, pans, and everything that you would need. You have the balcony. Look at how green and fresh and crisp the view is. So this again is your luxury apartment. This wouldn't be what you would use on a daily basis. And again, it all is about your budget and the lifestyle you're trying to live.
waadiganse laabtiyo lugaha isla waaye meel sare lalmanaye waadiganse laabtiyo lugaha isla waaye meel sare lalmanaye libanteeda dunyada ruxna laasan maaye maxaa luray naftaadii libanteeda dunyada ruxna laasan maaye maxaa luray naftaadii anigaba lafiyo jidh waa kii laasten liqii waayey oonte
So this is an example of your typical, a little bit high-end, unfurnished apartment. This is what your normal apartment looks like. Look at the security cameras right there. This is recorded by Solia office themselves. And again, this is not a paid review. This is from my experience actually going house shopping myself. This is a very genuine review. Really gorgeous. 3-bedroom or 3-room apartment. They don't go by bedrooms. Usually it's like 2 bedrooms, a sitting room, 2 bathrooms. And this one is for $400. Look at how spacious it is. Look at that kitchen. I love a spacious kitchen because I love to cook. Okay, and you guys are going to see the view coming up in just a minute, inshallah. Look at the bathroom. Yes, there's no hot water heater. You're not going to typically find that, but it's so hot in Somalia, you're not really going to need it. So yeah, this is all of what you get, AC included. This is all of what you get for only $400. Again, if you compare it to the West, not comparable at all. But this is your midway lifestyle apartment, and now we're going to look at one that is much more affordable for only $300.
libanteeda dunyada ruxna laasan maaye
Hopefully this has given you an idea of the average cost for apartments or real estate in Somalia. If you have any questions or comments, shout out to me in the comment section below. And again, I will have Solia's information all there for you if you would like to reach out to them as well. Look at that view, another really beautiful view. I love the views in Somalia. Anyway, would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Let me know what you would like to see next, and I hope you guys have an awesome and fantastic day. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.
waadigan saliite leexadu ku sidatee hadballaan cuskanaye liibaanteeda duunyada ruxnaalaasan maaye maxaa luray naftaadii